Hi there, welcome back to the Museum of Cornish Life. For today's easy Easter make, we are making this really fun bowling game with this Easter bunny. So the aim of the game here is to, if you have some Easter eggs or bouncy balls or even rolled up balls of socks, you've got to try and bowl to see if you can get the Easter egg into the bunny's mouth. So to make our Easter bunny bowling game, it started life as just a cardboard box, and to make it white you can paint it, but you might need quite a lot of paint depending on how big the box is. So what I did with this one is I took some white paper, just normal A4 paper, and I used that to wrap the box up, just like a Christmas present. So once it's all wrapped up in white, then it's time to try and choose where the bunny's mouth is going to be. So I used my pencil and I drew in a semicircle from the bottom of the box to decide where it's going to be, and then I cut that semicircle out. Now you might need an adult to get you some help with this because it was really quite tricky because the cardboard was quite thick, so make sure you get an adult to cut that bit out. But when it's cut out, you can see the bunny's mouth start to come to life there. So we are almost halfway there with this one. It's quite an easy make. The next things are just decorating. So you can see in pencil, I've already marked out where I want his eyes and nose to be. So with a black pen, I'm just going to go over those marks. So one eye there, and then another one on the other side, and then big triangle for the nose in the middle. And then I'm just going to colour in with a pink felt tip pen. So he's got a nice pink nose there. So we've drawn in his face, but he's not a bunny without his ears. So on a separate piece of white card, what I've done is I've drawn the shape of bunny ears, and I've got those attached to a strip of card at the bottom. So this is all one piece of card that I then cut out, and I've got the strip at the bottom there because that's the bit that we're either going to glue or sellotape onto the top of the bunny. So you can use some glue just to glue that down. I'm just going to use some sellotape, and I'm just going to tape the ears onto the bunny. So if I put some tape at the side there, and then at the other side, and you can see I've already decorated those as well, where I've drawn in the pink of the bunny's ears. The final thing you could do if you had some paint is to just paint some pink paint on the inside of the bunny's mouth there for his tongue. But apart from that, this is finished. So one simple bunny game where the aim of the game is to try and bowl. That didn't really work, did it? See if you're better than me and if you can actually bowl an Easter egg into your bunny's mouth. Have fun, and I'll see you again. Bye!